A Cybertruck silences the crowd with a 260-foot sled pull. The audience reactions for Cybertruck in the sled pull event was quite amusing. Initially, the crowd seemed stunned as the Cybertruck started moving the sled. And at the end of its feat, some members of the crowd actually cheered loudly for the all-electric pickup truck. Overall, it almost seemed like the audience was hesitant to acknowledge the Cybertruck, but after its 260-foot sled pull, it was difficult not to be impressed. And considering that the Cybertruck was wrapped with livery from the New York-based storage sled company, the vehicle's participation at the event provided some advertisement for Kaufman Building. This was not the first time the Cybertruck proved impressive in sled pulling events. Sled pulling is known fondly in the United States as the world's heaviest motorsport,